This Ford Mustang GT used to be its owner's pride, a true American muscle beast with just over 4,000 miles on the clock. But in 2024, a devastating accident nearly destroyed it completely. The front end was crushed, the frame twisted, the suspension and drivetrain heavily damaged. Most people who saw it said the same thing. That car's done. It's only good for scrap. But for me, that wasn't the end. It was the beginning of a real challenge, one that only true car experts would take on. I wanted to prove that with enough skill, patience, and passion, nothing is ever beyond repair. Every detail, every weld, every line of metal was brought back to its original form. The chassis was measured and realigned with precision tools. Every component replaced and reassembled to factory accuracy. After hundreds of hours of work, the Ford Mustang GT has been reborn. Powerful, flawless, and ready to roar again like the very first day. Join me now as we bring this wrecked Mustang back to life, from total destruction to pure perfection. In the end, what makes me proud isn't just that the Mustang GT runs again. It's the journey of turning the impossible into reality. From a twisted wreck of metal to a shining, powerful beast once more. Every weld, every bolt, every detail tells the story of countless hours of work, passion, and love for machines. This isn't just a restoration, it's a resurrection. A reminder that nothing is ever truly beyond repair if you believe in what you build. Thank you for following along this journey. If you love seeing legends come back to life, stay tuned. The wildest builds are yet to come.